Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunny Technologies. Today I am going to discuss switch statement in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 14, conditional or ternary operator in C. Please go through previous video before going to this video. Switch statements are alternative to if else. Here we have syntax for switch. Here switch of expression, case, label, statements, break. Finally, we have default statements break. We'll discuss switch expression using VS Code, launch VS Code and create C application. Now we'll discuss simple program using if else, printf, enter input number, int input, read the value from command prompt, scanf, %d, comma, address of input. Now we'll use if condition to check given input is valid or not. If input equal to 1, printf input number is 1, else if input equal to 2, printf input number is 2, else if input equal to 3, printf input number is 3, else printf input number is invalid. We'll execute this program, put breakpoint here, go to run, click on start debugging, F11, read input from command prompt, here 3, enter. Here input number is equal to 3. First we are checking if condition, if 3 equal to 1, false, it goes to else if. Here we are checking if 3 equal to 2, false, it goes to else if. Here else if 3 equal to 3, true, and execute this statement, and we print output like input number is 3. We'll execute one more time, go to run, click on start debugging, F11, read input, here 4, enter. But first we are checking 4 equal to 1, false, it goes to else if. Here 4 equal to 2, false, it goes to else if. Here 4 equal to 3, false, it goes to else. Here we are printing input number is invalid. Here what is happening? If you provide input, the input is checking if, later else if, finally else. If you don't have suitable condition, then finally it will execute else part. Here it's checking in order wise like if, else. So in the place of if, else if, we can use switch. Now we'll see what is the difference between if and switch. Remove this code. Here switch. Here we have expression, pass input value, input. Remove this comment. Case label. Here label is will pass 1, 2, 3, 1, colon, printf input number is 1 / n. Later we have break, case 2, printf input number is 2 / n, break, case 3, printf input number is 3 / n, break. Here default printf no suitable number. If you want to format this code, Shift Alt F. Here the code is formatted. Now go to run, click on start debugging. F11, read input. Input is 3. Enter. Here what is happening? We are passing switch of 3. That means it will not check these two. Directly it will go to case 3. F11. Now cursor came to case 3. Here printf input number is. Here we need to change code. Here it's printing input number is 4. Here 3. Run one more time. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. If we provide input number 5, enter. Let's switch off 5. If you see the code, here we have cases like case 1, case 2, case 3. We don't have case 5. So what will happen? That it will go to default. F11, a default, no suitable number. Here we are getting output as no suitable number. Later, here we have break. Once cursor hits break, then it will exit from switch. F11, it exits from program. Now, what is the difference between if else and switch is? In if else, it will check from top to bottom, but in switch, based on suitable condition, that it will go to that case label and execute that code. Now, we'll check one more program, remove this code. Now, we need to print number of days for each month. Here, printf, enter, month number, declare a variable int month number, read the value from command prompt, scanf, %d, address of month number. Here we will create a switch case, switch, here pass month number, remove this comment. Here case 1, that means January, printf, number of days are 31, break. Case 2, printf, number of days are 28, that means February, break. Case 3, printf, number of days are 31, break. You will format this data, Shift Alt F, formatted. We will copy this code, paste, 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 Shift Alt F, and I will change this one, case 1, case 2, case 3, here case 4, number of days 30, here case 5, number of days 31, case 12, number of days 31. Here printf, no suitable month number. Here what this program contains, here we are giving input, later we are passing that input number to switch case. Here we have labels and each label contains break. We need to find number of days for each month. Case 1 means January, case 2 means February, case 3 means March, case 4 means April, and so on. Here default means no suitable month. Put breakpoint here, go to run, click on start debugging. F11, then month number 3, enter, a switch of 3. That means directly it will go to that suitable case. Here we have case 3, and then print number of days are 31, break. Break means it will exit from switch. F11, here output is number of days are 31. We will execute this code one more time, go to run, click on start debugging. F11, read input, here 15, enter, here switch off 15. We don't have suitable case, then directly it will go to break. F11, directly it will go to default, Here no suitable month number and exit from switch. Here switch contains case, label and each case contains break to exit from the switch. For example, we'll remove this break. Let's see what will happen. Remove this break. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. We'll provide input as 1. Enter. Here switch off 1. That means it should go to case 1. Here this statement is executing. Later we should exit from switch. But here we don't have break. So it will not exit. It will go to case 2. Here also this statement is executing. Later we don't have break. It will go to next one. This statement is executing. Later we have break. It will exit from switch. Here we have output like number of days are 31, number of days are 28, number of days are 31. Why we are getting 3 outputs means here we don't have break statements. So where the break is available, then at that time switch will be exit. So we should provide break statement for every case. Now we'll change this code to minimize the number of lines of the code. Copy this code, case 3, and paste here. Cut this code, paste here, cut this code, paste it here, format this data. Now remove these statements, remove this one, remove this code, remove this code, remove this one, remove this code, Shift Alt F. Now we have code like, we'll read the input from command prompt. Later we have switch off month. Here case 1, case 3, case 5, case 7, 8, 10, 12. For these all the months, we have number of days are 31. So here we are not providing statements for these cases. Finally, we are providing statements for case 12. That means if we provide input as these numbers, then we need to execute these statements. If we provide 4, 6, 9, 11, then we need to execute this code. Debug this code, go to run, click on start debugging. F11. Here I will provide input as 3. Enter. Switch off 3. Then it will go to suitable case. Here we have case 3, but here we don't have statements. Then we will go to 5, later 7, 8, 10, finally 12. Here we have statements. These statements will execute. Then it will exit from switch using break. F11. Print the output. Exit from switch. Here number of days are 31. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here input number 4. Enter. Switch off 4. Then it will go to here this one. Here we don't have statement. Finally we have statements in case 11. Execute this code and exit from switch using break. The number of days are 30. Here we group all the cases. Due to this code, we reduce the number of lines code. Switch statements can be used for alternative to if else if ladder. What we discuss in this video is switch will be used alternative to if else if ladder. Switch contains expression and it contains case, label, letter, statements and break. Break will be used to exit from the switch. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.